Hi everybody and welcome back to my backyard once again. Today we're gonna check out the new AvionRC Nexa 3.5 Evo Pro. Super long name, but long story short, this is a 3.5 inches all-rounder. Basically, it's lightweight, it's resistant, and it should fly amazingly. Let's check it out. The drone does not have an official box. It comes in a cardboard box with the drone with basically everything pre-installed and an extra set of Gemfan 3.5 by 2.5 by 3. Talking about specs, it comes in 5 different variants: O3, walk snail, analog, without camera you add your own, and frame only where you add your own electronics to it. I have the O3 version, and like this the drone is 172 grams without battery. If you add a 720, a light one, you're gonna be around 249 grams, so sub 250. Anything else like 850 milliamps is gonna be like 160, 170 grams. So it's not sub 250. The drone is built very sturdy, it has very minimal flex, and it has 2mm top and bottom plate, 1.5mm mid plate, and 3.5mm replaceable arms, as you can see. It uses T-Motor 1604 3800 kV 4S motors. They are very nice. And the flight controller is a GHEMU F4 40 amp CSCs 6S, but the motors are 4S, so use 4S maximum. The orange parts are 3D printed TPU, and they are very high quality printed. Flexible, so stuff will not snap, and there is attention to detail. Also, the capacitor has its own mount. The O3 camera has the right amount of protection inside here. It has this chin and this lip up top, but also it probably doesn't show the camera mount in view, which is nice if you want to record cinematic footage. It swivels from like 5 degrees, 3 degrees, all the way up to probably this is 50, which is very nice. And the TPU should soft mount the camera as well. And finally, it's time to fly. Let's start with a 720 milliamps 4S HV battery. With this one, we are at 249 grams, so be very careful about what battery you put if you care about being sub 250. Okay, the drone is armed. This is my first time flying it. Okay, so first of all, I love 3.5 inches. At this weight, they are very stealthy. You can hear how low pitch the noise is. The rates are a little bit on the angry side, as always. I need to put a little bit of expo. But man, it's tuned crazy. Wow. Wow, it's it's a robot. It's crazy how good it is. Super locked in feeling. Wow. I mean, this is my first time arming it, and I don't even like the rates too much because I use my thumbs to fly. But man, I feel at home. Wow, super smooth, it sounds amazing. It's non-sponsored, I mean, look how smooth it is. Okay, I'm surprised. This is one of the best flying drones I've tried so far. Man, it's a shame it's just heavy enough so you cannot put big batteries on it, but even with a 720 milliamps I'm flying. It's stealthy, it flies amazing, it cruises nicely, it's probably also efficient. Wow, this drone, you cannot even hear it. It's the perfect all-rounder. Man, I wish it was 20 grams lighter, because I don't crash that much. At least when you do cinematic, you try not crashing. Yeah, I have to fix these rates because they are too hungry for me. But wow. It jumps, it's amazing. Man, I love it. I am focused, so I'm not talking much. Also, my goggles are fogging up like crazy. I don't know why, but yes, the drone is incredible. And it seems also to be efficient because the battery is not that big. and I don't see a crazy discharge. Wow, this drone from this first flight, it's already promoted. This I will put probably the naked O3 inside and lose those 20 grams that will allow me to put oh wow, it's, what the hell is that? Is that car 2 volts? Yeah, I have to land. I don't know what the car is, but okay, the battery is totally done. 3 minutes and 40. Okay, I wasn't looking at the voltage really. 3 minutes and 45 seconds destroying the battery because I wasn't paying attention to the voltage. I was having fun. You're gonna probably do 3 minutes and 30 of acro aggressive flying with a 720 milliamps. If you take it slow and you just cruise, you're gonna probably do 4 minutes and a half, 5 minutes with this battery, which is amazing for a drone that flies this good and is this stealthy. And now let's fly with 850 milliamps 4S HV. The drone is 270 grams. If you have the analog, probably you are sub 250 with this battery as well. Put it in angle just to hear. It's super silent. Low pitch, love it. Okay, let's put back in acro. With this battery you have a lot more energy to push. Wow, the hang time. Man, I'm in love with this drone, it flies amazing. I added a little bit of expo now, so you will see my movements are a lot smoother. Nice. And it's crazy stable. It's locked in. Wow. I had a mosquito biting on my cheek. No, I have to go recover it myself. It was just in grass too tall to take off. You are seeing some flakes jumping off, but wow. Oh my god, what's wrong with me today? Crash flipping and taking off again, maybe it works. It works, but my camera is now at 45 degrees and it's kind of hard to fly like this, but wow. Yeah, maybe it's better if I land, if I land and clean it, because I'm not used to fly at these degrees. Okay, yes. Okay. I didn't even stop recording. Maybe I got used to the previous rates and now I am... Nah, okay. I mean, I need to lock in and fly a lot of times. This is my second time flying with this drone. And the fact that I am able to feel this confident with it already is remarkable already. It means the drone is super predictable and makes you feel at home. But what can I say, the review is already done. The drone flies incredibly good, nothing to say really. It's surprisingly stable, sounds clean, sounds silent, perfect. Like the only gripe I have is I wish it was a little bit lighter, but it's not heavy, it's an all-rounder, it's made to take a couple of crashes, it's made to have replaceable arms, and those things add that tiny bit of weight that with the O3 is heavier. Man, I wish they make a more fragile version that's lighter for really sub 250 cinematic flying with the O3, but other than that, it's one of the best drones I have flown this year. Sub 250, AvionRC, it's a small company, but they are releasing hit after hit, all of their drones pretty good. I like seeing the underdogs really taking care of what they are doing, releasing good thought out drones, nothing, you know, nothing incredibly innovative, but it's really well done what they are doing. You see other companies try to do something more innovative, but they fail miserably. Okay, 4 minutes and 45 seconds of medium aggressive flying with the 850 milliamps is not bad. This drone is efficient as well. Of course, the power to weight ratio is very good with these big propellers. And if you cruise, you're gonna do probably 5:30, 6 minutes, no problem with that battery. Very, very good. Time for my final opinion on the AvionRC Nexa 3.5 Evo Pro. Apart from the name, this drone is incredibly good. This is one of those easy reviews where I don't have many cons about this drone really. It's silent, efficient, it flies amazingly good. Like, it's tuned perfectly and it seems like you're flying a simulator. It's just super locked in. And also the sound super clean. Really one of the best drones I've flown this year. This drone is kind of all-purpose. You can do a little bit of everything. You wanna fly aggressively? Yes, you can. The drone is very sturdy and it has replaceable arms. You wanna be sub 250 with smaller batteries? You can, no problem, and is decent. Of course, 170 grams is respectable for this kind of sturdiness. I wish in my heart it was a little bit lighter, but that would sacrifice durability because you have to remove material at that point. And it's fine as it is. I cannot give them the con for being a little bit heavier. Still, they are lighter than most BNF 3.5 inches out there, so already very, very good job. If you fly analog, no problem. You can use the 850 milliamps and be sub 250. If you use O3 like me, probably I will try making it naked, so I save those extra grams for the 850, which gives you a lot more peace of mind when flying medium long range with this kind of drones. And that's all for today. I'm really liking this small company. They have very good support, and I feel like if they keep releasing good stuff like this, they will soon become one of the best FPV brands. Maybe they need to rework the naming a little bit because it's a little bit complex, but apart from that, very good job. As always, remember to like, subscribe and comment on this video. Let me know what you think about this drone and what do you think about AvionRC. Have you bought from them? What's your experience? What's your experience with support? If you want to buy something, remember to check out the links in the description below. You get a discount code and clicking on them, you help my channel a lot. Stay safe and happy flying. Bye!